Hi all, welcome back to our channel Colors for Life. Today we are going to cook pepper mushroom masala. Now on the way to buy farm fresh button mushroom. Variety of mushrooms are available here. We have purchased half a kg of button mushroom. The first step is to clean the mushroom. After cleaning the mushroom, it is washed and kept to drain excess water. To cook 500 grams of mushroom, we have taken 4 small onions, curry leaves, 1 big tomato, ginger garlic paste, pepper powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, and chili powder. Chop the onions and tomato finely. Light the stove, place a cooking pot and pour 4 spoons of oil. After the oil gets heated, add chopped onion into the hot pot. A pinch of salt to get the onion cooked soon. Saute it till golden brown. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook well until the raw smell vanishes. Add the chopped tomato. Stir well until it gets cooked. Add a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Stir well and close the pot. In a minute, open the lid and add 1 spoon of coriander powder and 2 spoons of chili powder. Here goes the mushroom into the pot. Combine all together so that the masala gets bind with mushroom. Close the pot with a lid for around 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame. When the lid is open, you can see water coming from mushroom. Add salt and cook. Now keep the pot open and stir by adding pepper powder and some curry leaves for good aroma. After adding curry leaves, keep the pot closed for a while. Finally, our pepper mushroom is ready. Let us transfer it to the serving bowl and garnish it with coriander leaves and curry leaves. Thank you for watching.